there's no perfect smartphone. I repeat, there's no perfect smartphones. What up, players? It's your bro, CJ Knows Tech. I'm out here in the mighty New York City. All right, hold on, player. Where we at? We in New York? Hold on, player. Oh, hey, let me just start off by saying I am a Galaxy Note fan. Maybe a slight bias? Nah, ain't no bias, player, because we ain't gonna get into all that. Let's just talk about it. The Galaxy Note 10, Samsung Unpacked. I'm a Galaxy Note lover, user. I actually use my S Pen, you know, love it or hate it. Some people have mixed opinions about the S Pen. If you don't like the S Pen, get an S10. Ooh, bars. Let's talk about what the Galaxy Note 10 has to offer to you people out there. Let me talk to the people. You're getting two variants. You got a 6.3 inch and a 6.8 inch. You got the big boy, and then you got the big boy. The new design this year are these displays. We got that Infinity O display, and this time the O is in the center, which is cool. On the Galaxy S10, it was a little off center, which was cool, but I think center might be even cooler. Just because of the fact of, like my bro Terry Warfield said, and I 100% agree, is symmetry. We're getting far more screen real estate than any of the past notes. No forehead, no chin, all face. Beautiful AMOLED Samsung display that has been stretched even further. Then we're getting a nice, thin, crisp, clean light. I cannot stress this enough. I say this all the time. I love light phones. Pixel, super light. S10, super light. iPhone, not so light. Galaxy 10, light. My preference is light because I carry two phones. I carry Android, I carry a iOS device. I need the combination of them both to only equal the heaviness of an iPhone. All jokes aside, let's get more in depth with this Galaxy Note 10. I'm gonna take a little quick detour. Let's go down on a little story real quick. The year is 2017. The Galaxy Note 8 just released. You got a young, aspiring tech YouTuber who hasn't quite taken the leap. Well, I decided with the Note 10 in 2017 with 200 subscribers to go hardcore. Here we are, 2019. I'm rounding the corner on 30,000 subscribers, and it is the Note 10 event. But the beautiful thing about this Note 10 event is we in the building, player. We is Creator Cafes, Terry Warfield and C-Kid Tech, and we about to crash, unpack, baby. You already know, behind the scenes on Hustle to Create. If you ain't subscribed to Hustle to Create, you missing. You too late, I'm sorry. Oh, have y'all seen that one color on the Galaxy Note 10? Have you seen this color? This thing looking like Rastafari. It got a little bit of gold, a little bit of red, a little bit of green, a little bit of everything. This thing is beautiful. It's almost like, what was the name of that white color last year? I forgot, man. Anyways, it's like that, but with the golden hue. It's killing, it's crushing the game. That's guaranteed the color I'm copping. Now let's talk about camera options. The standard wide, we getting that telephoto, and then we getting that beautiful ultra wide. Now that's the Note 10. Now if you opt in for the plus, the bigger size model, the extra camera that you're getting on the rear is just a depth sensor. What does that help with? Yo, depth of field, butter. You see this butter right here that I'm giving off with this 1.8 Sigma lens to all my camera nerds? That's what it's helping to improve the calculation of that with the algorithm and, you know, artificial intelligence and how these smartphone cameras work today. So if you're really big on bokeh and all that stuff, the depth sensor may give you a little bit extra added on that butter. You know what I mean? I love butter. All right, so here's another thing that we're getting with this Note 10. You know, it's the reason why the picture was the S Pen on top of the camera. You're getting these gestures with your camera. Like literally you're able to control your Galaxy Note from afar in camera mode with swipes and swings, and you know, we swinging the S Pen like a sword in this joint, and we making the camera zoom and do all type of things, switching filters and looks. A creator who shoots himself, or for a selfie addict, it's a million of y'all out there. Actually, matter of fact, it's about a billion of y'all out there. You're able to set it up, get the shot, and control the shot from far back and click the shot. That is the added gestures that we're getting in the Galaxy Note 10. So for my selfie addicts out there, you have been blessed. Thank you, Samsung. Now, let's get real. For my players out there that are the headphone lovers, the headphone jack lovers, I know, I've been seeing the comments. I'm not getting it, the headphone jack kills it for me, dog. And hey, look, I feel you. Wired headphones, best sound ever. Trust me, I'm a stickler for sound, but I have adopted the 2019, 2020, 2021 way of living, which is wireless, player. So you have to adopt. Now, I hope in due time with this wireless technology, they do improve the audio even more and push it further. That's on them to do. But the reality is the headphone jack is gone, player. It's gone. It's gone with the wind. Gone with you. But here's the thing is, this is one thing I don't understand. People always complain about the headphone jack, but you always get a dongle. If you really care about using your wired headphones, you just deal with the dongle. Like, clip the dongle permanently to your headphones that you love, your wired headphones, which I'm not a fan of wires anymore. Like, after living the wireless life, it's hard to go back to wires, but if you love it, just keep the dongle on your wired set, you good to go. Gucci, player. Simple, problem solved. You can thank CJ Knows Tech later by watching the rest of the YouTube and all. Man, smash that like button, player. Do something, man. Hit that sub. I just helped you out. All in all, what's my first impressions of the Galaxy Note? Yo, to all my fellow, I already called y'all here, y'all Guardians of the Galaxy, y'all Samsung Knights, unite everybody. To the Note lovers, this is the Note 10, especially for all my Note 8 people who have been waiting 2 years for the cycles to end so they can get a new phone. If you are someone who's ready for the upgrade, this is the latest Note. You're getting the latest and greatest that Samsung has to offer. You're getting the beautiful display, you're getting the beautiful design, you're getting the lightness, you're getting that sweet, just Gucci butter that Samsung gives us, man. Beautiful display. You getting what you know Samsung to give. So for all my Note lovers, all my Samsung Knights, all my Guardians of the Galaxy, yo, stand up, unite, and come on and let's celebrate the Note 10. Now to all of the people on the outside, or some of the people who are considering getting the Note and you trying to see if it offers value to you, yo, I'm gonna tell you now, the S Pen is a unique thing. Not everyone loves it, but for those who do, it's like the best thing since sliced bread. You just gotta weigh your options. If you're looking to hop in this Android game, what Samsung is bringing is A1. You're getting a solid Android device. So it's up to you to make the choice. I mean, we still got a couple other phones to go this year, but honestly, how I've always said, the Galaxy Note is my favorite phone. So when it comes to a feature pack, all around Android device that gives you kind of everything, there's no perfect smartphone. I repeat, there's no perfect smartphones. It's looking like butter, it's smelling like butter, it's tasting like butter. The Galaxy Note 10 is smooth as butter. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Hey, look, don't go anywhere, man. Hey, you gotta stay on YouTube, man. Watch another one of my videos. If you don't wanna watch one of my videos, watch Terry Warfield video, watch a C-Kid Tech video, watch whatever video is suggested that makes sense to you. Just stay on YouTube. All right, man. Hey, don't be skipping my ads. I'm out here. Because still to this day, the Galaxy Note 8 reigns the champion.